Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make instant Knorr tomato soup. This easy guide will help you prepare a delicious bowl in just a few minutes. First, ensure you have 1 packet of Knorr instant tomato soup and 200 milliliters of water ready. Next, carefully empty the soup powder into your chosen cooking vessel. Then, slowly pour in the water, stirring constantly to achieve a smooth consistency without any lumps. It's a simple start to a comforting meal. Once your soup mixture is smooth, it's time to cook it. If using a stovetop, place the saucepan over a medium flame and stir occasionally until it reaches a gentle boil. After boiling, reduce the heat to low and allow it to simmer for about 3 minutes, stirring gently to prevent sticking. For microwave users, heat on high for 1 minute, stir well, and then microwave for an additional minute. This ensures even cooking and a perfectly hot soup. Now that your soup is cooked, you can easily enhance its flavor to your liking. For a richer taste, consider stirring in a dash of fresh cream or a small pat of butter just before serving. You might also enjoy adding some finely chopped fresh cilantro or basil for a fragrant, herbaceous note. Serve your piping hot soup immediately. It pairs wonderfully with crunchy croutons or a warm slice of toasted bread, making it a truly satisfying experience. To ensure the best possible outcome, always adhere to the recommended 200 milliliters of water per packet. This guarantees the perfect consistency and flavor. If you prefer a little extra kick, feel free to add a small pinch of black pepper to your finished soup. Remember, this instant Knorr tomato soup is designed for convenience and comfort. Enjoy your warm, delicious bowl as a quick lunch, a light dinner, or a comforting snack anytime you need it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.